What's up, everybody? Too Steezy here. I've been getting a lot of requests. Can I do a Dollar Tree build for under $2? So this is what I've came up with. You're gonna need to go to Dollar Tree, get one bamboo cutting board and one wood tray box thingy. Start with just unwrapping everything. If you can get the sticker off, get it off. If you can't, usually comes right off. If you can't, it's okay. You should already have some wood glue if you do DIY FBs, fingerboard DIY, whatever you want to call it. I have some of this white caulking I'm going to use. Open everything up. Grab like a marker or a pencil. I thought I had one. Oh, here I do have one. Get your bamboo, lay it face down and find the middle. Put your tray as much in the middle as you can get it. Just about like this. Once you find the middle where you want it at, get your marker and give it an outline. Okay, so we got the outline of where it's gonna go. Get your glue. Oh gosh. Get your glue open and put it all over this. I'm going to use this, I would recommend like a popsicle stick. I'm going to use this piece of Loctite trash. And I don't know if you guys ever done any kind of tile, but kind of spread it like you're doing tile. Get it evenly distributed. That was probably a little overkill. But get your adhesive on there like this. Yeah. Try not to get that all over everything in your house, your parents' house. Go right here with your lines where you did your outline. Get right on there. Just kind of work that on, push it on, get it on. Christmas right around the corner, so this is the perfect thing. Kind of get it set though. You need a tech deck, man? I hate that problem. I never need tech decks, man. I got tech decks all around me. You're gonna want to tack this down. That's what I'm gonna do with mine. Oh no. I really lost the lid to that. Okay, I was gonna say that's not good. Close up your glue. I'll just get some sticky tack out. I got some sticky tack right here. Shout out to Loctite. Get this off. Boom. Just gonna tack this down with some tackaroonie. About like that. And you guys can do it the other way. Like, I was going to recommend you could put it as a box. Like, put the box side up and fill it with something. But nothing's going to make it heavy enough. That's why I'm like, I'm going to use always tack. I always recommend tack in just my little year of fingerboarding. Alright, so we got that. Looks good, looks good. Granted, my glue is not dry yet. I'm just doing this. See what I mean? I'm just doing this to show you guys an example for the obstacle. It's probably, you probably want to give it a couple hours to dry or something. But once you have that, you got an obstacle for $2. Pretty cool obstacle idea though. Pull up and grind on it.